Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create products inside the product library in HubSpot using the full 2026 setup. The product library is where you store all your services, subscriptions, and physical items so your sales team can quickly add them to quotes, deals, and payment links. So first, open your browser, go to HubSpot.com, click Log In, and sign into your account. Once your main dashboard loads, we're ready to get started. Begin by clicking Commerce in the top navigation bar and selecting Product Library. If your interface is slightly different, this section may appear under the Sales tab, depending on your HubSpot plan. When the Product Library opens, you'll see a list of all active and archived products. To add a new one, click Create Product in the upper right corner. A new product form will appear. Start by adding your product name, an internal SKU, and a short description. Keeping your product descriptions clear makes it easier for your sales team to pick the right items when they create quotes. After that, choose your pricing model. HubSpot supports one-time prices, recurring subscriptions, and unit-based pricing. Enter your price, select your currency, and add additional units if needed. If your product is a subscription, scroll down and choose your billing frequency, monthly, yearly, or any custom cycle your company uses. You can also assign your product to categories to keep everything organized, upload an image, or add internal notes that explain how the product should be used. When everything looks good, click Save Product. Your new product is now available across HubSpot. You can add it to quotes, insert it into deals, or attach it to payment links for fast checkout. You can also duplicate products or edit them later if your pricing or structure changes. And that's it. That's how to create a product inside the HubSpot product library using the 2026 setup. Once your products are organized, your sales team can work faster and create consistent offers every single time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next